Alright guys, today we got the rig out. About to go put the motor in this BMW so we can slide this thing hopefully some this year before the end of the year. Just ordered my new water pump and stuff for our new engine, new power steering pump, new valve cover gasket, new oil pan gasket, pretty much everything we'll need for the new motor to go into this car. So this is why we are swapping my engine from the donor car to this car. Obviously this one's not running on all 6 cylinders. Trying to see which cylinders we're misfiring on. I suspect that it has low compression, but yeah. I'd hook the battery like a fool, so now I get to see which codes come back. But for now, we might just go and hook coil packs to see which one is misfiring, since this will not give me a code. So let's go ahead and do that. Not good. Just noticed we're missing the windshield cowl too. That's also not good. Cylinder 1 has good compression. Let's go to cylinder 2. Alright, cylinder 2, we have 0 compression. So let's go to 3. Cylinder 3 is okay. We are at 170 on that one. So let's go to cylinder 4. Number 5 was not good. Did check 4 off camera. It had 180. So we got 2 cylinders that are down as of now. Let's go for number 6. And 6 has some compression, so 5 and 2 are not good. Guess it's time to get this thing out. Getting our E46 donor car out with the forklift. Had to move all these. Huge nightmare, but let's keep on. Got the E46 brought over. This thing has sat a very long time. It only had 100,000 miles when it was wrecked, so, but it sat 10 years. It still spins over. So yeah, we're gonna pull this out tomorrow. Somebody robbed the oil cap at one point, so we got to pull the valve cover off, make sure the cams and stuff are good. And if all that checks out, we'll go ahead and yank her out tomorrow. Pulling this motor out. All right, motor is out. Got to get this thing, take it around to the lot behind the shop, and that'll wrap this up for now. Whoa! Bro's got a race eclipse. Time to pull the motor out of the E46. We've already started. When I pulled it in here, I did a little bit of a donut out there and popped my tire off the rim. So get to deal with that now too. But right now we got to get this out, this one in. So gonna do all the gaskets on this engine while it's out, and then just throw it in the car and see what we get. Got another E46 drift build spawning in. Let's see what we got here. See how blown this one is. This one's blown.
All place.
M54-1 is out. I just got to put all the gaskets on this one, water pump, power steering pump, and put it back in the car. E46 number 3. The silver one yesterday, Jordan scratched off, so.
Parts car for this one now.
This one's pretty clapped out, looks like. This
Drift
thing
car.
is a hoopty, dude.
Drift car, man.
Look at the rear camera. Where's the front wheels at? I like the leads on it. It looks good.
Hell yeah, front lead.
Custom. Real custom.
That red line.
Yep.
Damn, it got up there quick. Fly good.
Oh yeah, she's sliding easy as fuck.
Watch
So
this
like
freaking bump up here. Don't floor it.
Yeah.
Dude, you better
No,
angle this.
You don't gotta go sideways. No, you ain't gotta go sideways with this car. You can go straight over that big day this Sunday. 1,000 was the lowest I would go just because of the setup that's on it.
You won't do 900 either.
900? Fuck it, I'll shake on the 900.
900.
Hey, there you go. $900. It's a 3046. $900 budget.
That's
Slide
I
car.
got 1,600 in 2 cars to make one.
This is pretty budget though. Like
And it's already got this shit done in 290.
manual already too. Dude, I fuck with this.
You gotta win.
The exhaust is pretty cool too. We about to be squatting with these things.
I'm gonna probably.
$900 budget car. We have more goodies from IE46, fresh clutch. Apparently he's gonna go out here and try it. Got the clutch, got the coolant hoses. Cheapish clutch, but it's fine. Budget drift car, just like that one. I'm about to go slide that here in a second, see how it'll slide. And then we're gonna come work on this one and slap this in. Look in here, we have a bent exhaust valve. You can kind of see it, the one on the right. Not good, but we're putting the valve cover on this one. About to do the oil pan gasket, water pump, power steering pump. Then throw the flywheel and stuff on there and throw it back in the car. See if we can get this thing back on the road. Gonna drill this in so he can just yank it, cause he's cheap, doesn't want to buy a hydro for some reason. Gonna go ahead and just push this in, drill it, and put a bolt in it, or a pin or something. But let's go ahead and rice it out. This is what you need to do. I don't know if you can try here or not though. Get right here.
Kick it again right here.
It don't lock if you go this way.
Weird. It'll lock it both ways tomorrow, watch. We'll weld this mofo.
Drift practice at the Haynes.
Haynes Performance at it again. Oh yeah. sessions. Go for it, homie.
New engine is in. It's gonna come back tomorrow, button this up the rest of the way. New water pump, gotta put the power steering pump on still. New spark plugs, new vacuum lines, new coolant hoses. We should be able to wrap this up tomorrow, hopefully, and get this thing back on the road. I should have oil pressure now. Damn, missing too. Missing. This runs just like the last one. Dude, that is a whole side exit exhaust. Back up and running. About ready to slap this thing now. Alright, about to throw the apexes on the E46 since it is running. We gotta pull the intake back off though because we have a leak, a coolant leak. So, but for now, we're gonna throw these on here. Hopefully these tires fit and don't look donk. But these are probably gonna look donk on the back because these are a little bit taller than these. But let's go for it. First test drive. We're going to get gas. Hopefully we make it. Alright, made it to the gas station. Started cutting out on the way here. Hopefully we run out of gas, but I got my doubts about it. We're cruising right now though. Don't see any leaks, I don't think. Probably don't want to look. Just gonna go cruise on it easy for a little bit. Made it to the car wash. So far, so good. So, let's wash her off real quick. I'd rather do this here. You know what I mean?
Gotta do the native thing and take a soapy picture.
Alright guys, made it to the eating spot. Total price for this car was $1,000. Motor was free. This is like $1,600. And then how much you say this one is?
I got like 15 in it right now.
1,500 on this one. You can have a drift car, really budget.
I could have started drifting.
Minus the Apexes, I already had these, but these are gonna be just a street set. So this is gonna wrap up episode 1. Next episode, we'll be sliding these things. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Mistakes in both lead and follow, unless there's something